Hey, and happy Tuesday. Was on the middle of my run and I realized I hadn't uploaded my vlog video yet. So, and it's such a beautiful morning. I thought you might enjoy seeing where I run around my neighborhood. This week, it's a super busy week. On Tuesday, I flew all day back from Salt Lake City. So at the beginning of the week, I had a beautiful view of mountains. I went hiking on both Sunday and Monday in the mountains in Utah. I don't know which mountains they are. And then I flew home on Tuesday, and it's just like beautiful flights. Everything worked out perfectly. It's an excellent day of travel. If you have to have a day when you fly all day, I hope that your flights all go smoothly. So I got right back to work because I was super inspired after convention, realizing that I definitely want to work with a company who does as much good for as many people as doTERRA does. Jay and I also made the most of our weekend by heading to Asheville to watch Mamma Mia at the Asheville Pizza and Brewing. This great theater where you order pizza. They have a beer brewery on site, one of the oldest in Asheville, but then you order a pizza and you eat it while you're watching the movie, and it's just a $3 movie. It's excellent. So yeah, that's what we did this weekend. Oh, you're also going to see videos because we went on a gorgeous hike on Saturday with our friend Tony, which actually, so it's not a hike, it's frisbee golf, where you throw a frisbee into buckets. So we played frisbee on Saturday with our friend Tony. You'll see it was absolutely gorgeous morning. We started at 10 because it gets hot by noon. And this was the track over at Wing Deer Park, which is beautiful. If you're local, you should go check it out. It's like a really beautiful hike in the woods with some throwing a frisbee into a bucket, I guess. Yeah, so I was a fan because I could drink my coffee and walk through the woods. And any sport where you can both drink coffee and walk through the woods is a sport I'm willing to do. So that's my week. I hope you had an excellent week. Let me know if you like this video, if you like seeing my neighborhood, behind the scenes when I work, what you'd like to see more of. Comment below. Have an excellent day.
Take it and swing it back.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, it puts a lot more emphasis on your wrist.
Okay.
You get some more power out of it.
Okay. I'm really afraid I'm going to right here.
You'll be alright.
Okay. Oh, it's a good dive.